Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a data matrix barcode to a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a fillable PDF form, see this. And I'll insert here data matrix barcode. Now select form option, this menu bar, and this is barcode option. Click here and drag your mouse cursor inside your barcode. Now press right button and select properties dialog box. Properties dialog box, there are option you can change barcode name and its option. Here you will find this default PDF barcode and this is a data matrix barcode. Select this one and this is the value option. You can include file names or exclude, and speak option. You can remove this one, or add new one, and so on. Now select OK and say this and close. And say the data matrix barcode now added, and finally select this file option, save or save as in fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.